Hi everyone, how are you all doing? Today I'm gonna be sharing one of my favorite native vegetable sauce recipes. You can serve this sauce with boiled white rice, boiled yam, boiled potatoes, or boiled ripe or unripe plantain, or even enjoy it with your swallow. The taste is out of this world. Let's get cracking. We are gonna be using green vegetable known as shoko, a medium-sized bunch picked, washed and sliced, one big-sized red onions washed and chopped roughly, about 2 to 3 ladle of palm oil, 2 tablespoons of fresh iru, well cleaned, half teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon everything seasoning, 1½ teaspoon curry powder, 1½ teaspoon fish seasoning, 3 stock cubes, a quarter cup ground crayfish, small quantity of nchuanwu, picked, washed and sliced. And here we have a sofrito mix. What's in here are 4 medium-sized tomatoes, 4 large-sized fresh paprika known as tatache, 6 medium-sized fresh cayenne pepper known as shombo, 4 normal-sized yellow scotch bonnet pepper known as atarodo, a stick or 2 of ginger, and a medium-sized onion. I roughly blended all together using the food processor. I'll be using smoked banla fish and smoked mackerel fish. Clean and debone it. Feel free to use your preferred type of smoked fish. Here I have 1 teaspoon of salt to taste and 200 ml of clean water for the cooking. We are going to start by placing our pot over heat. Pour in your palm oil, add the onions. Notice that I didn't allow the oil to heat up first or bleach. Add the iru and the crayfish. Stir, cover and allow to simmer for about 5 minutes. This allows the crayfish and iru flavors to develop well. It's now time to add our sofrito. Stir it to mix well together. Cover and allow to simmer again for about 10 to 15 minutes. We need the taste of our sofrito to lose all its sourness and most of the acidity. I can perceive the beautiful aroma. This smells so good. Stir it. Be careful so it doesn't splash. We are now going to add our smoked fish. Then we add our stock cubes and the seasoning. Go ahead and add the salt also. We will now pour in our water. Stir very well, gently. Then cover and allow it to continue simmering for another 5 to 7 minutes. My oh my, this sauce smells amazing. Honestly, you need to try this recipe. You will love it. Now it's time to add our nchuanwu. Gently stir it in. Cover and give it about 2 to 3 minutes for the flavor and taste to get into the sauce. Now our main vegetable shoko joins the gang. Stir it in very well. Cover and let it simmer for say 2 to 3 minutes. or if you don't like to cook your vegetable much, less than that. Oh, this smells so great. You don't want to miss out on this yummy delicacy. Give it a try. I bet you will always want to make this sauce. Now, food is ready. Time to eat. Time to eat. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a video when I upload. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this or when you do try it. There you have it, our yum native vegetable sauce. Delicious meal from my kitchen to yours. Thank you for watching. See you again.